If your Mazda CX-5 USB port stopped charging or won't connect to Apple CarPlay, here's how to fix it fast. Before you tear apart your dashboard, realize that over 60% of connectivity issues are just bad cables. Let's start the diagnostic process to find out if it's the port, the fuse, or the software. Start by swapping your cable and performing a hard reset on your Mazda Connect infotainment system. If a reset doesn't work, you're likely looking at a blown fuse or a loose connection behind the hub. Check your firmware version in the settings menu to ensure your car's software supports your device. Most USB problems can be solved for under $20 at home before paying a dealer diagnostic fee. While a fuse is cheap, a complete hardware failure of the USB hub can cost over $300 with labor. Locate the F-outlet fuse in your kick panel. If that metal filament is broken, you've found your problem. Keep a few spare mini fuses in your glove box to save yourself a trip to the mechanic later. Always check the simple stuff first. A dirty port or a cheap gas station cable is usually the culprit. If this helped you get your CarPlay back online, hit that subscribe button for more Mazda troubleshooting guides.